Hello everyone! For this video, I will explain about present tense, how to use how much and how many, comparative and superlative, and dialogue in additional market, among with the examples. Present continuous tense. Describe an action happening right now or during specific period on time. It's from using the present tense of the verb to be, am, are, is, and followed by the in the main of the verb. For the example, I am studying English. This is what you're doing right now. I am watching TV. She is drinking a glass of milk at the moment. In the first sentence, it explains that I am currently studying English, where the verb is study plus ing. In the second sentence, it explains that I am currently watching TV, where the verb is to watch. And the third sentence, this explains that she is drinking a glass of milk right now, where the verb is drink plus ing. Present perfect tense. It used to describe an action that began in the past and continues to the present. It's from using have or has and the past participle of the verb or verb to. For example, I have studied English. I have watched TV. She has drunk a glass of milk. In the first sentence, it tells that I have studied English, where the verb study becomes the verb to or studied because it has been complete. In the second sentence, it tells that I have watched TV earlier, where the verb is watch become the watch. In the third sentence, it is explained that she has drunk a glass of milk earlier. Present perfect continuous tense. It used to describe an action that began in the past and still continuing or recently finished with a focused duration of the moment. It's from using have been or has been and followed by the ing at the main verb. For the example, I have been studying English. I have been watching TV. She has been drinking a glass of milk. In the first sentence, it explains that I have been complete studying. In the second sentence, it explains that I have been watching TV earlier, and it has been complete. In the third sentence, it is explained that she has been drinking a glass of milk and she has been complete drinking a glass of milk. How much and how many are used to ask about quantities, but they are used different types of nouns. How much is used with uncountable nouns and how many is used with countable nouns. This is an example of use. How much and how many? First, how many comics do you have? Second, how much money does he spend? And third, how much water is left in the bottle? And now I will show you the example of the dialogue. Hey Gabriel. Oh, hi Arno. What are you doing now? I am reading the comic. How many comics do you have? I am not sure, but a lot. Maybe around 70 titles. Wow, that's a lot. I saw your sister bought a new motorcycle, isn't it? Yes, it is. It's a brand new release. How much money does he spend? It's 32 million rupiah in cash. It's quite expensive too, huh? Yeah, I think so. I'm so tired. Can you give me some of water, please? I'm also tired, and there's only a little water left. How much water is left in the bottle? Just a little more. Maybe about quarter of a bottle. This is not good. We have to get more water. Comparative and superlative. Comparative is to compare two things, while superlative is compare one thing to many things. Comparative one-syllable is use er in the end of adjective. For example, tall, to be a taller. Comparative two-syllable ending with y is remove y and add er in the adjective. For example, easy become easier. And comparative with two or more syllable is use more before adjective. For example, more beautiful. Superlative with one syllable is use est in the end. For example, tall become tallest. Superlative with two syllable, it use es in the end of adjective. For example, easy become easiest. And superlative with two or more syllable, it use most become adjective. For example, most beautiful. For example, the comparative is Sulastri is younger than Daddy. For superlative, Sulastri is the youngest among them. That's all from me. Thank you. Welcome to my store. Would you like to some flour and sugar? Yes, I'd like to buy some flour. How much is it per kilogram? It's 15,000 rupiah per kilogram. We have different type of flour, Segitiga flour and regular flour. Which would you like to buy? I will take 5 kilograms of Segitiga flour, please. How about the sugar? Is this available? Yes, we have sugar. It's 18,000 rupiah per kilogram. How much would you like to buy? If I take 5 kilograms, can you give me discount? Alright, I will give you special price for the sugar. It's 85,000 rupiah for... Okay, deal. How much all of my things? That will be 160,000 rupiah. Here you are. Thank you. Enjoy your shopping and have a great day. Thank you.